Introduction. Hello and welcome to our guide on how to build a profitable online business from scratch, a step-by-step guide in English. Whether you are an entrepreneur, side hustler, or just looking to make some extra income online, this guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Section 1. Finding your niche. The first step in building a successful online business is identifying your niche. This can be a market segment, problem, or interest area that you are passionate about and have the skills to serve. In this section, we'll show you how to research your market, assess your skills and interests, and identify a profitable niche that you can excel in. Section 2. Setting up your online presence. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to set up your online presence. This means creating a website, social media accounts, and other online platforms that will help you reach your target audience. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of choosing a domain name, creating a website, and building an online presence that will attract your ideal customers. Section 3. Creating your products. Now that you've established your online presence, it's time to create your products. This can be anything from a physical product to an ebook or online course. In this section, we'll show you how to create products that align with your niche and target audience, and provide solutions to their problems. Section 4. Marketing your business. Marketing is crucial to the success of any online business. In this section, we'll show you how to market your business effectively using various tactics such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing. We'll also provide tips on how to track your marketing efforts and make adjustments along the way. Section 5. Scaling your business. Once you've established your online presence, created products, and marketed your business, it's time to scale. This means growing your customer base, expanding your product line, and increasing revenue. In this section, we'll show you how to grow your business through various strategies, such as partnerships, affiliate programs, and joint ventures. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this journey on how to build a profitable online business from scratch, a step-by-step guide in English. We hope you found this guide informative and helpful. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right strategies, tools, and mindset, you can create a profitable online business that will support you for years to come. Good luck.